Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. When is the Australian retail sales and how could they affect AUD USD? http ntvforex.com News ID CB21B2 2 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. Retail sales overview. Early Friday, the market sees the preliminary reading for the July month retail sales data from Australia at 01:30 GMT. Following a 16.9% increase in May and a milder rise of 2.7% in June, markets are expecting another firm print as the period comprises of further easing of lockdown restrictions before numbers from Victoria recalled the stipulations. Considering the pre-pandemic period, the data could be considered having a short-term impact. Though, any disappointment will be enough to derail the Aussie buyer, saw latest optimism. Analysts at Westpac don't turn down the market forecasts while saying indicators such as card transactions point to a solid gain in sales ahead of the Victorian lockdown. Westpac predicts a 3.0% rise, after 2.7% in June. Bear in mind that this series is overweight supermarket sales and underweight services such as hospitality and entertainment. Elsewhere, the Australia and New Zealand banking group ANZ said spending data suggests retail was broadly stable in July, as employment gains and more open economies stimulated retail spending, but the spending to facilitate working from home started to soften. NBSP retail growth is unlikely to extend into August. Lockdowns in Victoria are likely to decrease spare household income, particularly as the reduction in JobKeeper and expiry of deferred mortgage payments loom. Victorians are likely to be already set up for work and play at home, reducing the likelihood of a repeat in the spike in household goods spending that offset the weakness in dining fashion spending during the first lockdown. How could it affect AUD USD? AUD USD picks up bids to pierce 0.7200, currently around 0.7205, by the press time of Friday's Tokyo Open. The Aussie pair recently benefited from 5-week low coronavirus COVID-19 numbers from Victoria and mostly unchanged figures of Commonwealth Bank manufacturing PMI, from 54.0 to 53.9. However, traders will be disappointed if the retail sales slips below the previous 2.7% increase even before the virus wave 2.0 attacked economic activities. Alternatively, an upbeat print may add strength to the pair's latest run-up, but a major rise will have to wait until figures for August roll out. Technically, an ascending trend line from August 3, currently near 0.7135, restricts the pair's immediate downside ahead of the monthly bottom surrounding 0.7075. On the upside, sustained trading beyond 0.7200 will attack 0.7245 and the year 2019 top surrounding 0.7300. Overall, the view remains bullish unless the quote slips below 0.706560 area, including June monthly high and July 24th low. Keynotes: AUD USD consolidates recent gains around 0.7200 amid mixed sentiment. NBSP AUD USD forecast ending the day unchanged just below 0.7200. About Australian retail sales. The retail sales released by the NBSP Australian Bureau of Statistics NBSP is a survey of goods sold by retailers, is based on a sampling of retail stores of different types and sizes, and it's considered as an indicator of the pace of the Australian economy. It shows the performance of the retail sector over the short and mid-term. Positive economic growth anticipates bullish trends for the AUD, while a low reading is seen as negative or bearish. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.